to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. A lot has happened in my life these past few years. And by the way, my Christmas this year is a totally different story because it's my first time celebrating Christmas away from my family in the Philippines and away from my parents because as you all know, I've already migrated here in the US. But the good thing is, it's also my first time celebrating Christmas with King, which is now my husband. So, dati kasi sa FaceTime lang kami nagsa-celebrate ng mga occasion together. So, this is another new experience for me and masaya naman, masaya magpasko dito sa US. Pero iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. So, not all of these are mine. Some of them are King's. But still, I've never received gifts this much before. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So, starting off strong with this one. This is the Saramonic 4-in-1 wireless microphone system. So, the story behind this mic was we were watching a YouTube vlog one time. Yung mga Filipino vlogger na nagre-review ng mga pagkain sa Tondo, sa Manila, somewhere in Manila, yung mga matataong lugar. Yung vlogger, meron siyang gantong mic and hindi talaga naririnig yung mga tao while nagvo-vlog sila. Nagre-review ng mga pagkain. Sabi ko, ang ganda. And then nakita niya to sa Best Buy and binili niya. Okay, so inside the box is this one. And then there's another box. I think ito naman yung mga siguro chargers and stuff. Yeah, meron siyang kasamang pouch. Gusto ko na sana siyang gamitin, kaya nga siya yung inuna kong buksan. Pero right now, sa nakikita ko, I think kailangan ko muna siyang i-figure out kung paano siya gamitin. And then, ito siya mismo. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know how to use this though. Hindi ko siya alam gamitin pa sa ngayon. Gusto ko na sana siyang gamitin since nagva-vlog naman tayo. But I think I'm just gonna use it another time kasi kailangan ko pa siyang i-figure out paano gamitin. But anyway, thank you so much, babe, for this one. Next one is this one. I know it's empty, but this is my first Christmas stocking ever since hindi talaga uso to sa Pilipinas. I don't know, baka sa amin lang. Hindi to uso sa amin. Wala kami stocking na nilalagyan ng gift. I know it's empty. Kasi nilagay ko na dito sa basket na to lahat ng laman niya. Ito yung sa akin, ito yung kay King. This is from Ate Annalyn. Thank you so much, Ate Annalyn, for this cute basket. So yeah, yung laman ng Christmas stocking namin ni King is first, we got Pringles. One for me and one for him. We also got this one for me and one for him. I don't know what's this. I've never tried this before. We also got Slim Jim. Guys, this is my current favorite snack. Na-discover ko lang siya last week nung sinabi ni King na favorite daw in Orlando. Sabi ko gusto ko i-try and when I tried it, naging favorite ko na siya. Kaso, mataas ang sodium niya. Nung nagpabili ko kay King ulit, sabi niya, no, it's not good for you. Maalat kasi siya, guys. So, maybe next month na lang tayo magpabili. Madaming gantong laman yung Christmas stocking namin, pero nakain ko na siya kahapon. Next one, we got Twix chocolate. I don't know if this is from my stocking or King's. Anyway, I'm still the one who got to keep this because I keep all the food. Next one is this one. I never tried this before too. Also this one. One for me and one for King again. We got Rolo. I've never tried this before too. We also got Vapor Inhaler. I know it's so random, but I think that's how it works. The Christmas stockings. Also, toothpaste. We got toothpaste. So, King got one, I got one. Nag-attend na ako sa Christmas party nila dito sa US. So, sumala ako sa exchange gift and nag-bingo kami afterwards. And I've got this cute little snacky. Pag nanalo ka, meron ka pang gift na ganito. Yeah, I think this is pretzels. Mini Nutella. Look, it's real Nutella. At first, akala ko nga, ano lang siya, display lang siya, pero totoo pala siyang Nutella. So, let's try it. Naging mukbang pang vlog. Thank you, Kuya Andy and Kuya Leo. Sa kanila kasi ito galing, guys. Sila yung may pakulo niyang price pag nagbingo. We're done with this basket. Okay, this one is Swiss Miss. This is also from Kuya Andy and Kuya Leo. Premyo ulit siya sa bingo. And then this one, King got this book. This is the 365-day Bible devotional. Alam niyo ba guys, nung nakilala ko si King, hindi naman siya nagsisimba. In-expose, hindi talaga siya nagsisimba. And then one time, nung nasa Pinas kami, sinama ko siya sa simbahan. hindi siya sumubo, alam niyo yun. Hindi siya nag-communion. So, medyo nainis pa ako sa kanya. Tapos, ang reason niya pala is because matagal na siyang hindi nagsisimba. Matagal na siyang hindi nagko-communion. So, gusto niya muna mag-confess ng sins niya before siya ulit magtanggap ng communion. So, that's his reason. Since nagpunta ako dito sa US, every week na kami nagsisimba. Even yung mom niya, yung mga kapatid niya, nagugulat sa kanya kasi nagsisimba na siya. Wow! Natuwa din ako na gusto niya yung mga gantong klaseng book. The next one is this one. This is also from Ate Annalyn. Aside from the pink basket, binigyan niya rin ako ng ganito. So, it's a pouch. It's a 3-in-1 actually. So, meron tayong clear pouch. This is the biggest one. And this one, para siyang pencil case type. And this is the brand. It's Vera Badley. Ito naman yung mas maliit na case. Yan. Nakilala ko lang siya guys sa Bingguhan. Kasi sinasama ko ng mother-in-law ko sa Bingguhan. Sila yung friends talaga. Higing friends ko na rin sila eventually kasi nga nakikipag-bingguhan ako sa kanila. And also this one, this is from Ate Annalyn as well. Thank you so much Ate Annalyn. Grabe, sobrang sweet niya. Ang dami niyang binigay sa akin. Oh, I forgot. This one came with my Christmas stocking as well. It's a cup. Look. Thank you so much. I think yung nag-prepare ng Christmas stocking namin is yung mga in-law ko. So, yeah. Okay, next one is this one. This is a 2026 planner. This is from King. Kasi before, ang gamit kong planner is digital planner. Nasa iPad ko siya. Pero, ang downside nun is pag nalobot yung pencil ko, so, kailangan ko pa siyang i-charge para makapagsulat ulit. And then, next one is this iPhone 17 Pro Max. King got me this as well before Christmas pa. I still consider this as a Christmas gift from him along with this phone accessories and phone cases. So, yeah. May nakalimutan pa ako doon sa ating Christmas stocking. Meron siyang kasamang ganito. Thank you so much. And also this one for me and one for King. This contains Christmas card and cash, also scratch of cards. Sa aming lahat, si King lang ang nanalo ng $10. The rest, wala. Bokya kaming lahat. So, siya lang nanalo. But, yeah. Meron kaming Christmas card, cash, and scratch of cards na si King lang ang nanalo. And the next one, this one is King's. This is Orlando's gift for him. Meron siyang gift card na ginamit niya na. Just this morning, he ordered something from Amazon and ito yung pinang-order niya. Thank you so much, Orlando. And the next one are this rosary from France. It's from our Ninong Felix nung nagpunta sila sa France. Actually, binigyan niya to sa amin before Christmas pa. But thank you so much, Ninong Felix and Ninang Mila, for this rosary. Yeah, and the next one is this one. It's the Anchor Power Band. Also from Ate Annalyn's. And it's pink. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi it's pink. Actually, I've already used this the same night that I've got it kasi nalobat ako. My stepfather-in-law, he got me this Stitch. I don't know what they call this. I know it's already December 26 pero binibigyan niya pa rin ako ng regalo. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan niya nalaman na mahilig ako sa Stitch. Probably because of Crystal. Next one is this one. This is my new habol, or should I say kumot. Kasi ang habol sa Bisaya is kumot. Nasanay na ako na habol ang tawag sa kanya kasi Bisaya nga si King, di ba? And this one, King got this one from, I think this is from Ivan or Mama. So, yeah, panglinis siya ng fire. I don't know if this is a tiger, but yeah, I got a sleepwear. I got a new sleepwear. Super soft and comfy. Parang masarap ipang tulog to. So, this is King's. He also got a new t-shirt. So, ganito yung mga gusto niyang t-shirt. Yung super comfy and super lambot. I got this Mickey Mouse shirt. Look. So, ayun yung mga nakuha naming damit this Christmas. This is King's new shoes. Sobrang ganda and magaan lang siya. One is for me naman from Skechers as well. Next one is another sandals from Skechers. Diba sobrang dami niyang biniling gift sa akin. Thank you so much, babe. Then another one from King is this New Balance. I've been wanting to buy this kahit nung nasa Pinas pa kami. Next one is this one. This is from Ninong Felix. It's his gift for Iking. Pagkabilin-bilin sa akin ni King na isama siya sa vlog. So, it's like this. Para siyang briefcase sa Deal or No Deal. So, this is a toolbox. Gift siya ng stepfather-in-law ko kay King. And sobrang bigat niya na. Loaded siya, guys. So, meron siyang laman sa loob. Mabigat siya kaya hindi ko na mapakita. So, ayan. Yan siya. Napanalunan ko ulit to sa bingo. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang dami kong napanalunan sa bingo eh. Dito rin pala yung gift ni Kate sa akin, yung kapatid ni King. Kate is my sister-in-law and she got me this Owala tumbler. So, thank you so much, Kate. The last gift is from Orlando. So, this is Orlando's gift for me. Ang laman nito is this one. I don't know where Orlando got this, but this is super cute. They got me a puffer jacket and a Bath and Body Works gift card. And the Bath and Body Works gift card, I already used it this morning. Anyway, guys, that's it. I think that's all the gift that me and King got this Christmas. And again, we are so grateful, beyond grateful, for all the people who gave us presents and also to those people who greeted us. Merry Christmas. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click like, hit that notification bell and subscribe button. Thank you so much and goodbye.